We're now looking at proportionality theorems in section 6. In this figure, we're told that QS is parallel to UT, RS is equal to 4, ST is equal to 6, and QU is equal to 9. We want to know what QR is. So, the triangle proportionality theorem tells us that if these two lines are parallel in a triangle, then we can write a ratio of RQ over QU is equal to RS over ST. So in other words, rather than doing this small part times the whole thing and this small part times the whole thing, we can say this part over this part equals that part over that part. So plugging in our or substituting in our numbers for these lengths, we've got x over 9 and 4 over 6. Cross multiplying, we've got 6x is equal to 36, and dividing both sides by 6, we get x is equal to 6, and that is the length of RQ, so RQ is equal to 6. And again, we know this because of the triangle proportionality theorem. We substitute in our values and we solve. Here's another problem using the converse of the triangle proportionality theorem, and we want to show that these two lines BD and AE are not parallel. So if we look at this carefully, I'm just going to draw it as if we were looking at it from a side view rather than that view there. So let's just kind of draw it so that it's not parallel, because that's what we're going to show. We've got C here, B here, A here, D here, and E here. It doesn't have to be accurate. AB is 33 centimeters, BC is 27 centimeters, CD is 44 centimeters, and DE is 25 centimeters. So if we compare CB over BA, we get 27 out of 33, and that reduces, because those are both divisible by 3, we've got 9 over 11. For second one, we've got CD over DE, and if we look at that, that is 44 over 25, and we can see now that 9 over 11 is not equal to 44 over 25. Therefore, we know that BD is not parallel to AE. Okay? So again, we look at the two ratios. There's the 44 over 25. There's the 9 over 11. We know they're not equal, therefore BD is not parallel to AE, and the shelf is not parallel to the floor. Two more examples of this triangle proportionality theorem. The first one, we would write 44 over 35, and we would make that equal to 36 over x. And I'm going to need a calculator for this. Let's see. So, for the first one, actually I don't think I will. I might, but we'll give it a shot. We've got 44x is equal to 35 times 36. And divide both sides by 44. Those cancel. We know that both of these are divisible by 4, so that would make that 11 and make that 9. And yeah, I do need a calculator still. So let's see. We would do 35 times 9 divided by 11. And we should get, let me see, 315 over 11, which is approximately 28.6. Okay? So 35 over 11. For the second part, we want to show whether these are parallel or not. So we compare two things. We compare QP over PN, and we also look at RS over SN. So again, we go this over this and that over that. This is 50 over 90, or 5 over 9. This is 40 over 72. Oh, those are both divisible by 4 for sure. That would make that 10. And that divisible by 4 would be 18. So it's 5 over 9. Okay? Since they're both 5 over 9, we can say yes, they are parallel. And that's it for the first one. Thanks.